In this video, we're going to take a look at two interesting region features in WinList that I think you'll find useful. The first one is the contour region. So I have a very simple setup here just for illustration purposes. And I'm going to select the contour region tool from the histogram toolbar. And to define the contour, I'm going to create a box around the data on which I want the contour to be computed. When I finish defining the box, a contour is computed on the data that's within that box. Now let's just take a look at the properties of this. The contour is currently set for 90% or 0.90 probability level. If I wanted to include more events within the contour, I can increase that to 0.95. We can see the contour gets a little bit bigger when I do that. The contour region can be moved by dragging the label to a new position, and it recomputes based on the data within the box. If the box is resized, the contour is recomputed on the data within the box. So you have some control over what events are included in this. And in addition, you also have access to the auto positioning tools. So you can, for example, enable it to auto position by centering on the median of the region. And this will move the region as well as recompute the contour in the area. So pretty cool automated tool for selecting a set of events based on probability. Now the second feature that I wanted to show you is the sticky region feature. So for this, we're going to use the freehand region, and we'll use the point and click technique where we click to define the individual vertices that we want to define the boundaries of our region. You'll see in a moment why this works best. So once I've defined that, the other thing I want to do is turn on the showing of the vertices. So now I can easily see the points where I clicked to define those vertices. Okay, so far there's nothing to stick this region to. Let's create a second region down here. I'll start by creating the first region point not overlapping, and I'm going to come down here and grab these guys along the axis and then maybe just shoot up here. And now I want to click on that point, I want to click on that point, and then come back and close my region. Okay, so far these are not stuck together. They're just trying to define a similar segment. To make them stick, I need to choose the Stick to Neighbor Regions option. Now we see a little message come up saying that 2 connections were made. Let's see if that really happened. If I move this now, okay, good. So we have these 2 vertices defining this segment are now stuck for the 2 regions. If I move one, I'm also changing that line segment for the other region. So let's create a third one now, and again, I want to turn on the vertices for any of the regions involved in this so that I can easily find them when I'm trying to connect up the segments. And so for this third one, I might just do something like this, clicking on a set of vertices that I want in common. And I'll do the same thing here. I'll turn on the vertices of this one and I will tell it to stick. Now we're expecting 1, 2, 3, 4 common vertices, but there's 2 regions involved, so there's actually a 5th one, I believe. Let's take a look. 5 connections, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with any luck now, we have a set of related regions which are going to single count the events that are along the borders of these regions. It's a great way to make sure that you're capturing all the events and not double counting any of them. That's contour regions and sticky regions.